In October 2014, human embryonic stem cells restored the sight of several nearly blind patients. Researchers transplanted stem cells into 18 patients with severe vision loss as a result of macular degeneration. Stem cell replacement therapy can one day be the cure to those chronic diseases that take millions of lives each year. While stem cell therapy is constantly being perfected, the positive results are already being seen. As a healthcare worker, this topic is crucial. To be able to one day find a cure for several debilitating diseases through stem cell research is astonishing. I have had people close to me die from diseases such as cancer, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's disease. Even though a cure was too late to save them, scientists are working diligently to save the lives of millions through stem cell replacement therapy. In this picture, it shows the portions of America that are for stem cell therapy research and stem cell replacement therapy. Stem cell research covers a vast array of diseases and ailments. I will discuss stem cells and cell-based therapies, their potential to reverse disease processes, and the obstacles that must be overcome before these potential uses are realized. Let's start by first discussing stem cells and cell-based therapies. A potential application of stem cells is to form cells and tissues for medical therapies, according to Murnaghan 2015. The people who are against stem cell therapy are religious groups and anti-abortion groups. They think of it as a destruction of human life as a result of embryonic stem cell replacement therapy. The current therapy being used is organ and tissue donation. However, due to a number of people awaiting transplant being significantly higher than organs available, stem cells offer a viable source of replacement to treat diseases and can reduce the mortality of those awaiting transplants. Let's talk about cells' potential to reverse disease processes. By directing stem cells to differentiate into specialized cell types, there lies a possibility to provide a renewable source of replacement cells for those suffering from diseases such as Parkinson's disease, diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, and burn victims, according to Murnaghan 2015. Genetic defects that are presented at birth, stem cells can restore function and health by introducing normal, healthy cells. Stem cells can be used to produce new healthy tissues in burn victims. Similar therapies are already being used, such as bone marrow transplants in burn victims. A very small piece of skin can be grown, which allows doctors to cover a burn that is often much larger than the original size of the piece of skin grown, according to Murnaghan 2015. This picture shows the several uses and potential uses for stem cell replacement therapy. Now let's discuss the obstacles that face stem cell therapies. Completely understanding the genetic and molecular controls of cell division and differentiation can yield information about how such diseases arise and strategies for therapies, according to NIH 2015. Human stem cells are being used to test new drugs. Cancer cells are used to screen potential anti-tumor drugs. Now we know the importance and the potential greatness stem cell research has towards eradicating debilitating diseases. In closing, it's easy to see how beneficial stem cell research is in stopping disease processes and saving lives. It may not affect you as an individual, but we all have either personally known somebody or have heard about the struggle people face when needing an organ transplant or having children with birth defects. Stem cell research can provide a new, healthy, normal life for many individuals. Stem cell research covers a vast array of diseases and ailments. I have discussed stem cells and cell-based therapies, their potential to reverse disease processes, and the obstacles that must be overcome before potential uses are realized. While stem cell research is still a very controversial topic, I hope you can agree with me as to why it is important. Stem cell research has the potential to save millions of lives without the need to take harsh medications. For example, people who suffer from AIDS ultimately die from AIDS-related illnesses such as pneumonia. With stem cell research, there's a great possibility that diseases such as AIDS can find a cure.